Oh my God. When Apple said mini, they meant mini. This phone is tiny. I'm Andrew Edwards. It's iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max launch week, and I just got a package from Apple. Let's do this. This video is brought to you by SetApp, a cross-platform suite of apps that keep you productive and help you find your flow. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, as I said, this is a package from Apple, and it's iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max launch week, so we have a pretty good idea of what's inside. So let's get this guy opened up. Now, as you probably expect, I have a lot more iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max content coming at you over the rest of this week, including full reviews, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay up to date as soon as they drop. All right, grabbing my trusty ceramic box opener, let's get in here and open this up. Go. Okay, and right up front, we have some iPhones and some accessories. First up, we've got a blue iPhone 12 mini. This is looks like a 256 gigabyte model, and that's here in the white box. And underneath that, in the black box, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Looks like this is the graphite color, and it has 512 gigabytes of storage. Okay, I'll put these aside and see what else is here in the box. We've also got the iPhone 12 mini MagSafe leather sleeve. Okay, and I definitely saw a bunch of questions about that on social media, so we'll get those answered in this video. For example, does this enable an always-on display on the iPhone? Let's find out. There's also the iPhone 12 Pro Max MagSafe leather case, and this one is in Baltic blue. Okay, so iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max. iPhone 12 mini starts at $729 here in the US, unless you get a carrier subsidy, which brings it down to $699, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max starts at $1099. Now, opening these up, the unboxing experience is gonna be similar to the 12 and 12 Pro that I did a couple of weeks ago, meaning there won't be much to this, as evidenced by these thinner boxes that Apple's shipping its phones in these days. But oh my God, when Apple said mini, they meant mini. This phone is tiny. But again, let me not get distracted. Just letting you know, if you want a tiny phone, the iPhone 12 mini is your tiny phone. Now remember, the power adapter is no longer included in the box, so you can pick one up from Apple for $19 or just use whatever you were using with your previous device. Also in here is the USB-C to Lightning cable. There is the packet of information with the SIM ejection tool in there, and there's also an Apple sticker. This is a tinier information packet box as well. Now putting that aside, let's move on to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This one is going to be the graphite color, as I mentioned, and wow. This one is almost as impressive due to how opposite it is from the mini. This is a large phone. Obviously, it's the Pro Max, so it is the largest size iPhone, but this phone feels pretty substantial. Now, same as with the iPhone 12 mini, we've got the USB-C to Lightning cable in here, along with the little packet of information, SIM removal tool, Apple sticker. And by the way, now I'm curious, are these the same size? Because the actual paperwork is larger in the Max when compared to the mini. Let's look at these stickers for a second. Okay, so the sticker paper is obviously larger, but when you compare the size of the actual stickers themselves, hey, they match up. I was just curious. No one cares but me. I was curious, and now I've got the answer that I was looking for. Okay, now that we have the iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max open up, I want to give you a look at the leather accessories that Apple included as well. But before I do, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, SetApp. Now, I've been using SetApp for a couple of years now on my Mac, and it's a fantastic service that, when it started, gave you access to about 60 apps for a monthly fee. Fast forward to today, and SetApp now has over 200 apps that are a part of the service, which is insane. But even better, they've also recently started adding iOS apps to SetApp as well for the same $9.99 monthly fee. That gives you access to apps like iStat menus, which lets you monitor just about every vital statistic on your Mac, and also one of my favorite apps for keeping everything running smoothly, Clean My Mac X. This one keeps your Mac fast, frees up disk space, and keeps you protected from spyware and malware. But the point of SetApp isn't just to give you a bunch of random apps. The right tool for just about any task you're doing on your Mac can be found in SetApp's collection. If you're a Mac and iOS user, SetApp is a game changer, giving you all the best apps and tools to keep you productive and help you find your flow. You can get a 7-day free trial by visiting setapp.com or by visiting the link down in the description below. Once again, big thank you to SetApp for sponsoring this video. Okay, let's take a look at the iPhone 12 mini leather sleeve and the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case. Now this is the saddle brown leather sleeve, which supports MagSafe, so you can keep your iPhone 12 inside of the leather sleeve and also charge it on a MagSafe charger. However, this is not a MagSafe case that I'd slap a MagSafe wallet on the back of, but it does look like there's a little wallet pouch in the front area to store your cards. Now, one interesting thing about this is that you can see the time and maintain access to the earpiece when the iPhone 12 mini is in the sleeve. You can also do a raise to wake to see the time, or tap on the display through this little window. And as I said earlier, just in case you're wondering, no, this doesn't let you keep showing the time constantly, so it doesn't enable an always on display mode. Now, if we lift it up, we also see that it does also light up the entire screen when you check the time, so it's not just the area in the little window that gets lit up. There's also this strap that you can attach to it at the bottom, which keeps the iPhone upside down and secure. The iPhone 12 leather sleeve will sell for $129 when it goes on sale later this year. And that price is applicable to all sizes of the case, whether you have an iPhone 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max. Then there's the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case with MagSafe. This is gonna sell for $69, and that price also applies to all sizes. So if you get a leather case for your mini, your 12, your 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max, $69 across the board. Now, this is your traditional iPhone leather case. I know some people were wondering if there was a cutout near the bottom like on Apple's clear cases, and there is not. This is more similar to what you'd get with the MagSafe silicone cases, just a little more luxurious. And there you have it. That is your look at the iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max, the polar opposites of each other when looking at the iPhone 12 lineup. They are available to pre-order right now, and they are shipping to customers beginning on November 13th. If you're interested, I will have links down in the description below. We'll have even more on the entire iPhone 12 lineup coming up on Geared Up. Geared Up is a show I do each week with John Rettinger, where we take a look at the latest in tech, gadgets, and games. Just search for Geared Up in your favorite podcast player if you want to listen. Thanks so much for watching. As always, guys, I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I'll catch you in the next video.